How to fix Instagram black screen easy and fast. Hello guys, in this new tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix the most popular problem on Instagram, the black screen. So all what you have to do to fix this problem, it's actually very easy. Just open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Go to the search bar and search for Instagram like this. Click on it and now you will find this update option right here. If you found it, this means that you have to update your Instagram to get the latest version. And after you update your Instagram, open this settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, and then click on the airplane mode and disable it again. And after that, you have now just to open Instagram and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching the tutorial until the end. See you later.